Carbohydrates and proteins. Carbohydrates and proteins are essential macronutrients for human health and is playing distinct yet interconnected role in bodily function. Carbohydrates composed of sugar, starches, and fiber serves as a body energy sources. Glucose, a simple sugar, is a preferred fuel for most cells and it providing energy for physical activity, brain function, and metabolic processes. Carbohydrates, those found in whole grains and vegetables, are digested more slowly, leading to sustained energy released and improved blood sugar control, and each promote digestive health and regulate blood cholesterol level. Proteins are the building blocks of our body. It composed of amino acids. They are crucial for building and repairing tissues, synthesizing enzymes and hormones, and supporting immune function. Proteins found in plant sources like beans and lentils. A balanced diet incorporating both complete and incomplete protein sources ensure of all essential amino acids. Carbohydrates and proteins are providing the energy for synthesis and other metabolic processes, while protein contribute to the regulation and carbohydrates metabolism's balanced intake of both is crucial for optimal health and well-being.